Hello Western New York and welcome to our newest listing. I really like this one today in Elma, New York, 561 Stolle Road. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a wonderfully updated kitchen, and tons of living room and space for plenty of entertaining, even a great backyard. Come check it out today at our open house.